Okay, welcome everyone. Now let us write Kit Kor Tongjang, small letters in Dinka language. Kit Kor Tongjang. Kit Kor Tongjang. Kit Kor Tongjang. Kit Kor ai jog a ba sha da bo e go o i ja ka la supposed to be la ma na na. This is na. Nya nga nga ta pao wu wa o o pa ra ya. A ba sha da do e go o i ja ka la ma na na nya nga ta to wu wa o pa ra ya. Okay guys, these are the small letters in Dinka language, and I hope it's going to help you guys. Please, if you find this one useful, tell me so that I can be writing them in tablet. Now I'm writing them in tablet. Don't mind about this dot, and just want to show you how I was reading this dot, so don't mind them. So this is the end, and I'm going to bring more lesson, and be part of this family. Subscribe, like the video, share the video. Bye. And I'm William. Jack. Don't mind guys. Yeah. Okay guys, bye.